Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Don't know what's in here. It's fairly heavy, feels like it's probably multiple items, so I don't know. As per usual, if it's something I can link, I will link it right down below in the description so you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you use my links, but that's entirely up to you. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex, and thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Okay, let's get into the box and see what we got. Oh yeah, whole bunch of you guys have been asking. That's cool. We got a couple things here from a brand that you guys have been asking about or talking about for a long time, and I was unfamiliar. But that's part of the reason why I enjoy, looking through the comments and looking through the community posts, because you guys suggest stuff to me that I would otherwise be, that I wouldn't know anything about. All right, we got a note here. I appreciate the note. MC, I'm super stoked that you'll be looking at a couple of my knives. I've only been collecting for about a year and a half. You were the first reviewer I began following and jumping down the rabbit hole. Cool, man. I'm honored. I am wanting to become a better supporter of the knife community, and when I saw you were wanting to check these out, I jumped on it. Hope you enjoy them. Feel free to carry, cut, disassemble, or whatever is needed to let your subscribers get everything they need to know. Very much appreciated there. I threw in a Chavez knife I picked up just recently that I don't believe you have had on your channel yet. I had some slight mods done to it by way of knife. Cool. Okay. I'm curious on your thoughts about how it turned out and the knife itself. Awesome. Okay. Well, I appreciate that. That's from Adam. So we have two Vosteed knives here, and I'm going to open those first. Are they listed? One of them, maybe there'll be indications on which one is which, but we have the Vosteed Raccoon and the Nightshade LT. I have never handled something from Vosteed. At least I'm assuming that's how they're pronounced. Okay, here's your information here. This is the Nightshade, 154 cm, 3.25 inch kukri cutter, Midnight Black G10. Okay, take a look. Everybody's been saying, why don't you review a Vosteed? Vosteed. Okay, feels pretty nice. It does look like a tiny kukri. I kind of like that. Ooh, the action is very good. I don't think I need to assist it. Yeah, no. Yeah, wow. Okay, I like the pivot color and the pivot. I also like the grind on the blade. That's kind of nice. Yeah, it kind of, has that extra mile QSP look to it. I am very much appreciative of the 154 cm. Obviously, the, how much these are will be a big determining factor as far as like whether or not, because we have construction that I'm familiar with, and we've got a unique profile, and that's really cool. If they keep the price down on these, then yeah, I mean right off the bat, these are absolutely built well. The detent's nice, the action is superb, and look at that pocket clip. Did they do it? Vosteed, they did it. All right. Attention, all OEMs and knife people in general. This is what I would consider to be a perfect pocket clip, right? Carry depth is not necessarily all that important to me as long as it's between medium and deep. That's fine. I think shallow carry is for the birds, the tactical birds. I don't care about that. More so what I am concerned with is an immediate drop off the bow or the bend of the clip, right? This continues to taper down to a bill that rises and ends, does not come to a flat goose face, right? Rounded off, nice and wide, spoon style. But most importantly, it's a shallow rise. Why is that important? Because it doesn't grab things as you walk by, which is infinitely more important when we're not looking at a titanium clip, because steel clips are unforgiving. We also have recessed screws. So far, the thing I like most about this knife is the pocket clip. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so this other one must be the Raccoon then. The packaging's kind of cool, right? You said you don't care about the packaging. Shut up. Don't try to catch me off guard. Everybody knows Metal Complex is always right and never says anything that he doesn't mean. Nah, sometimes I contradict myself. Okay. Okay. 14C28N. Does this say what it is? Okay. Well, this must be the raccoon then. Okay. Look at the shape of that guy right off the bat, and this is a button lock. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like that. Real shallow button. No, but it works. Okay. And no stick whatsoever. This is now, remember, guys, this wasn't sent by Vosteed. Because people always say, oh, well, they just sent you a perfect one. And maybe they do. That's what you sound like in my head. But this was not sent by Vosteed. This was sent by just like a viewer who bought it randomly, right? No stick whatsoever off of that button. None. Real nice profile there. Same clip. Oh, that's so good. And look, they even etched their logo into it, and it's tumbled too. Is it slightly tumbled? Yeah. What a nice clip. What a nice clip. Carry depth is fine. The lanyard hole is not necessarily being prioritized because it could have been moved up. That's just where they wanted it, right? It's fine. Oh, real nice. Real nice. Real nice. Oh, kind of gives me... It's like a smock meets... I don't know. This area is the most smockish to me, which is fine. They can do that, right? Boy, that's good. Oh, boy. Depending on the price of this one, the raccoon. Man, I hope this is inexpensive because this is really cool. I really like this one. Slightly off-centered, but, this is owned by somebody else and is likely carried and used, so I'm not going to judge that too much. I will try to adjust it, though. The action is wonderful. How's the lockup? Totally. Yeah, completely solid. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, that's good. Mounting position on the other side for lefties. Filler tab, but that's fine. At least it's not a hole, right? Man, that feels good. Ergos on this are nice. The pocket clip's in a good place. Ooh. I hope this is inexpensive. Because if it is, that is a super... Man, we have a late entry for... I was going to do best... I don't know. I got to see the price on that one. I don't know when you guys are going to see this, but it's still 2022, right? Imagine you'll see this in 2022. But I need to check out the price and compare and contrast because I have my favorite budget knives of this year, and button locks are a heavy persuader, right? I didn't think that I'd get another button lock that I'm guessing this is a budget knife. I mean, it better be. I didn't think I'd get another one that would contend, but gonna have to do a little bit of checking. Wow. Okay, opinions of Vosteed right off the bat. Quality's all the way there. I like the quality, assuming the price is what I think it is. Right? Quality is great for the price. Ooh, boy. Hold on. So is this? I gotta use my right hand. The Sangri, is that what this is? I can't remember. It's like the Liberation, and this texturing, this is what he had done by way of knife, is like the golf putter texturing from Oz Machine Company. Yeah, this looks nice, man. I like this, and I think you're right. This is a model that I have not handled yet. I wonder how close it is, and is it essentially the Liberation with a different blade, like a Wharncliffe blade? And by the way, these are available. Like this knife, I've seen it all over the place, and it's cool. It's full size. If you've ever looked at it and thought, oh, I don't know, it looks small. No, this is a big knife for sure. Ooh, very grippy there. It's almost chalky on that. I do like it though. It looks really cool. This is nice to be able to have this and be able to review it now. Awesome. I mean, Way of Knife did an excellent job on this. This looks really good. Okay, cool. And these are the, I don't like the clip, and the clip is a skull, and I don't like skulls. Okay, they come with the thing now. Hold on. Well, I'm not going to dig it out of there. The plain clip is in there, right? I like the skull clip, but they didn't put the screw holes in the eyes. All right. I don't know. They should have. I agree. They should have. I don't know why they moved it. Probably so that it could accommodate for the other clip, right? You just can't make everybody happy. It's just gonna be a little saucy boy, no matter what. That's cool. These are definitely cool. You'll definitely get full comprehensive reviews of all of them a few weeks from now. I will link all of these knives down in the description, assuming that these are available. Thank you so much to Adam for sending these in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.